சொல்லு.
Hi everyone.
வெயிட் பண்ணு. கமாண்ட் மீ சொல்லு. சொல்லு கமாண்ட் சொல்லு. கமாண்ட்.
Hi everyone.
வெயிட் பண்ணு. யாரும் ஜாயின் ஆகல. இரு வெயிட் பண்ணு. யாரும் வரலையா? திரும்பி போ. ஃபினிஷ் பண்ணாத இப்படி போ.
Finish பண்ணாத.
கண்டினியூ.
So all there. Hi everyone. Hello.
Just message me if anybody is there.
Just message me whoever is there please.
கீதா நம்பர் சொல்லுங்க. வந்தாச்சு.
Yes.
ஒருத்தர் வந்து.
Hi there.
Just message me please.
Just message me please.
Yeah,
Hi
hi.
auntie. Hi there. Hi Geeta auntie. Yeah, let's wait for others to join. Hi auntie. Hi Jansi auntie. Hi Geeta auntie once again.
சவுண்ட் ஹியரிங் கேளு.
Can you all hear me? Am I audible? Okay auntie. I'll wait. Hi auntie. Hi Renu auntie. Hi Neha auntie. Yeah, okay, I'm audible. Okay, fine. Yeah, thank you. Let's wait for some more people. Yeah, okay. Thank you.
படி உங்க பேர் படி.
Saha Chaudhry. Yeah, okay. Yeah, yes auntie, I had. Yes. Hope you all also. Okay, yeah, thank you. Yeah, okay, fine.
వాళ్ళ పేరు చెప్పుమా.
So how are you all then? Yeah, hi auntie. Hi Jaypriya auntie. Okay, let's start. Can I start with my topic? If yes, please comment below.
ஓகே சொல்லிட்டாங்க.
If yes, please comment below once again, please. Alright, okay. So, how are you all? Hi everyone. You're watching Ruwais FM 99.9 virtual. So, let's get into the topic. I would like to firstly thank to Ruwais FM as Ruwais FM, even in this lockdown period, they are making us active and energetic day by day. So thanks to Ruwais FM too. Then one more person I would like to thank, it's Geeta auntie, because she suggested me to talk on this topic. So thanks to you auntie. And the topic is, I'm going to talk about special tips for special children, and I'm also going to give some tips for special children. So let's get into the topic. Before that, so how are you all? It's lockdown period, so stay home, stay safe, then wash your hands regularly, maintain social distance, etc. Right? Okay, let's get into the topic. Firstly, I would like to talk about mentally challenged people. Why I particularly selected this topic, because I'm a special sister having a special brother, and my brother's name is Ganesh Kumar, and my parents are Sri Ramlu and Geeta. So firstly, mentally challenged people. Under this category we have many types, but I have selected three main topic. Okay, one is Down syndrome, the other is autism spectrum disorder, and the other is mentally retarded. So we'll go one by one. Firstly, Down syndrome. So Down syndrome is a type of disorder where that particular child lacks in chromosomes. Okay, they lack in chromosomes, and their physical appearance is unique from others. They have flattened face and short neck. So these kind of symptoms are found in Down syndrome. Down syndrome, who is suffering from Down syndrome. Then to talk about their IQ, it can be either low or normal, even high. If it is low, then the child, that particular child needs extra care. That particular child has to go for special education, and they may recover, but it takes more time, and it takes and after proper training only they may come out of it. And if they are normal, yes, they can they can study as other children also, but only their physical appearance and their lack of chromosomes is the problem for them. Otherwise it's okay for it. And if it is high, they are genius. Even though their appearance, everything is unique, they may achieve in their future in a great level in any subject, right? Nextly, we are going to autism spectrum disorder. This is a disorder where my brother is suffering. So firstly, I would like to give a small introduction on autism spectrum disorder. Then I'll talk about my brother here. Okay. So autism spectrum disorder is also a type of disorder where that particular child lacks in communication. These kind of children, they don't like social mingling. They mostly avoid social mingling, and they live in their own world. And you can also find some abnormal behaviors in them, like they suddenly jump in front of others, they pinch themselves, or they pinch others, or they beat themselves, or beat others. So these kind of abnormal behaviors. Also, they'll be blabbering some meaningless words. So you can find these kind of behaviors in autistic children. But it can be controlled only by sending them to special education. Here I would like to also talk about their IQ. Same as told for Down syndrome, they have low, normal, and high. If it is low, special education is must and special care is must. It takes more time for them to come. A plus point in autism is they may recover anytime. Easily they may recover, but they need time. If it depends on their IQ. If the IQ is low, then it takes more time. If it is normal, maybe soon, a particular time they may come outside. My brother is in the normal stage. And the other is high. High means genius. They may come out very soon, and they may, even though their IQ level is high, you will find some abnormal behavior in them. But it's not it's not an issue. They, after some extra training or extra behavior therapy, they may come outside. So no issue of it, right? So nextly, I would like to talk about the mentally retarded people, mentally retarded children. For them, there's no doubt they are dependent, because recovering chance is very less. Firstly, here I would like to give a small introduction on IQ. So talking about the IQ, we have, first is genius, and the other is normal, and the other is moderate, and the other is low. Genius means you have a genius, their level is more than 110. If it is more than 110, they can create lot of wonders. And normal human beings IQ is 90 to 110. Then we have moderate. Moderate is below 90 and more than 70. That means it's like 80 to 70. That's their level. So those kind of moderate level high IQ, they are slow learners. They won't be able to grab the things very easily. It takes more time, even though they behave properly with us like normal human beings. But it takes time for them to grab things easily. It takes more and more time. But if proper training, everything is given, means they may come out of it. Then we have the low case. That is less than 70. That is where the IQ of the child is very less. sorry for the interruption, let's continue again. Okay, so that means they are mentally retarded. So for them, they are dependent. There is less chance of recovery as told before, but if with their parents support and the society support, they can survive. They may survive in the environment easily only with their parents support, and they also need special education. So these are the things. I didn't go more about these things. These are just my experiences, because I used to go to my brother's school. There I have seen these three kind of many kind. These are the three main kinds I saw there. So that's how many people I saw. So that's how I got to know about it. So nextly, I'm going to talk about my brother, like how my parents found that my brother is an autistic child. So let me tell you about it. So at the age of 3, my parents doubted him that he wasn't talking at that time. At the age of 3 means it's abnormal, right? Of course. So he wasn't talking at that time. So my parents, they approached doctors, and doctors, they also told that yes, your son is an autistic child. So after hearing that, even though my parents, they had the pain in their heart, and they had the tears in their eyes, the first good thing they did was they accepted that their child is an autistic child. Then they asked the doctor next step what they have to take, and they went accordingly. That means the doctors asked them to educate my brother in special schools. So my parents, they sent him for special schools. There he learned many disciplines, the basic disciplines which is needed in the society. So like here I would like to talk about the school. The school's name is Maitri. It is of totally 7 branches. It is of totally 7 branches in Chennai. There they teach, like for 1 to 15 years old kids, they teach some basic therapies like occupational therapy, speech therapy, then also behavioral corrections, like as I told, jumping. So they know to control. They help the child to control, and they increase their concentration. So these kind of things they taught my brother. They taught my brother there. And it is a type of school where the own suffering parents, they work as the teacher for their own children. So it's something like that. It's good, right? Own parents can take care of their own children, and the parents are taught there, like you have to. They will exchange with the children also. Like one parent will be taking care of the other child who is special. So they know how to tackle the situation there. So that's how the school is being successful until now, right? And after 15 years, they will be getting occasional training. So occasional training means like they teach them like practical things, like making paper cups, then doormats, then jute making, small jewelries, and help them to sell. So these kind of works are being taught there. So yes, that school is very, very effective. Where is this school? Online. This school is in Chennai. There are in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. There are totally 7 branches. So that's how the school is being going, auntie. Yeah, okay, fine. Nextly, so why I'm telling this all, because first my brother, he didn't know about these things before. At the age of 3, he was dependent more on my mom. Because he was like for going washroom, for eating and all, he used to depend on my mom. But after going to that school, he learned many things. First is washroom training. It's very, very essential, because when a child learns to go to washroom by him or herself, then they would handle situation easily, isn't it? So that's the first thing he learned there, and he was trained there properly. Next is he can respond to single and double commands, like come here, sit, eat, walk. These are the essential commands needed for them. So that were also taught in that school. Then eating, dressing up by himself. Then also some social and basic discipline were also taught there. Why I'm telling this? Because this wouldn't have happened. Okay, this wouldn't have happened until and unless he went to special school. because in olden days and all, the special children, I mean, some were having the awareness, but there was not that much of awareness that time and all, isn't it? So many people, they locked their own children, they locked their own child into dark room, and the child, they were beaten, the children were beaten up. So like this, not all parents, some I mean, due to the lack of awareness, some were behaving like that. They feel ashamed of their own child. This is because lack of awareness, but we are so thankful that we are in a great environment, a great surrounding, that everyone cooperate with us to handle to handle not only my brother, many special children. So that's how it goes. So please, whoever is not aware of it, tell your friends, create awareness. So because education for a special child is very, very important, at least for their basic survival, right? Next is I would like to talk about Indian government and UAE government. Like, what are the facilities provided for them by the Indian government and the UAE government? So let's start. Yeah, thank you so much, auntie. Thank you, Rupa, Haridas. Yeah, okay. So Indian government is doing a great thing in it, because firstly they assess the child. Then an ID card is provided for them. So using that ID card, what about here in UAE? Yes, auntie. Yeah, I'll be coming to that. Firstly, I'll explain about Indian government, then I'll come to UAE. Alright? Okay. So Indian government, first they assess the child, then they provide an ID card. After providing an ID card, that ID card is very useful for them, like in a ways of like train and bus are 50% they get 1+1. Then medical, you get the first preference wherever you go. And in Tamil Nadu, our Tamil Nadu government, yeah, thank you so much, auntie. Thank you, Jaishi auntie and Maha auntie. Yeah, thank you so much. Yes, our Tamil Nadu government is giving rupees 2,000 to each one of their family, but maybe it might vary state wise, but as per my experience, I'm telling you all. So it's giving rupees 2,000 for each one of their family per month. Next is I'll come to the education. We have private schools and government schools. Private schools, it is kind of expensive, but whoever is affordable, you can go for private schools. But whoever is not, you have government schools. In government schools, in each and every government school, there is a special classroom for special children with special educators. So no need to worry. Please share to your friends, or share to people whoever is not aware of it, because as I told before, educating that special child is very important for their basic survival. Okay, now let's go to UAE government. UAE government, it's amazing. It's doing great, and even though we are expatriates, even though we are residents of UAE, we are getting the same respect given to their own people. They are treating as their own people. So thanks to UAE for it. Let me explain you what UAE is doing. UAE is also doing the same, like they are they assess the child first, then the ID card is provided. You may ask me how do we get the card, how do how do we approach for these kind of things? Yes, let me tell you. There is a site known as ZHO, that is Zayed Ayer Organization. There, sorry for the distraction. Yes, there you need to register your son or your daughter's name, and they call you for an appointment, and after everything they assess your child, and then the card is provided. Again, I'm repeating, the site name is ZHO, Zayed Higher Organization. So after getting that card, you have many advantages, but before we didn't know about it. At the age of 17 of my brother, we had to go for, at the end of his 17, we had to go for dependent visa renewal. So that time only we got the info from the people over there. So after getting that only, we applied and we got the card also. But in the current situation, we got it February only, Feb 2020 only. So in this current situation, as it's COVID time and lockdown period, we are not able to enjoy the card properly. But before getting the card also we had the same facilities, many facilities UAE
Okay.
government was providing for us. But if you have the card, it's more right and royal, right? That's why I'm telling you to apply it. Okay, let me tell you the advantages whatever we had. I am so lucky that wherever we go, no need to wait. If we tell, I usually tell my brother is a special child, please allow, means they allow, they won't ask any other question, they allow. Like that I had many advantages. I'll be like, yeah, no need to wait, yeah. So of course you'll have, right? So that's what I also had. So let me tell the advantages. In theme parks you have a 50% offer and 1+1 ticket for your child. Then in for medical purpose you have medical insurance free. Then you have in airport marhaba services, and you get the first preference wherever you go. And you have valet parking free. Then you can park your car in special parking. So like this, many advantages you have. So please share to your friends about this. Next is school. Yes, UAE government, it's also trying to bring some other English curriculum school, because most of the schools here are Arabic schools. But still, maybe in the future we'll get it, and they are planning to come here also. Yes, all right. So these were the facilities provided. So thanks to UAE government. This is a card I want to show you all. See, this is the card. You can see priority for people of determination. So this is the card. It's a great service and it's very useful. So please share to your friends. Okay? Yes, thank you. Oh, Ganesh is very sweet boy. Thank you, auntie. Thank you so much. So next is how to tackle, as per me, my brother is an autism. So just I would like to give some points like how to tackle, those kind of child's behavior. Firstly, as I told, there are many abnormal behaviors like jumping and doing some like laughing. So I'm just giving you some tips how to tackle that. For my brother, I'm giving an example of my brother. He has an habit to take food from others' plate wherever in parties or in marriages or somewhere, wherever we go, still he has that habit. He likes to, like, he's fond of sweets. If he finds any sweet on some other's plate, he tries to take that. He has the habit to take it. What my mom, she tells to the next person, mostly we try to sit near, we try to sit together, but due to some distractions or due to some crowd disturbances, he might sit near next person. So before itself, my mom will let that know person that my brother, like she tells it in this manner: excuse me, sir or madam, my son, he is a special child, so he's fond of sweets. If you want the sweet, please consume it first, otherwise he will take it. She tells it in that manner. They won't feel like, no, we won't and all. No, they won't tell like that. They will accept the problem, they will understand us. Either they will offer the sweet to my brother, or they consume it first. So that's how it goes. No need to feel ashamed of it. You have to take the things sportive. If you explain your issue to the public, they will understand, because it happened every time. It's happening also for us. So that's how it's going. Okay, next is my brother. I told, no, he has another, many abnormal activities. The other is jumping. Whenever he is in a happy mood, he starts jumping. He's kind of fat, and a gigantic figure jumping in front of in front of the public means how you all will feel. What this guy is doing? Because you don't know him, of course you will feel abnormal. So that time what we do is we go near him and first we console him. We'll be like trying to calm down him. Ganesh, stay calm, Ganesh, cool down. Then after that we explain to the public that he is a special child, please excuse him. That's all. The matter is over. No need to worry, no need to have the complex, my son is doing like that, doing like that. No need to feel like that. Just tell your issue, they will understand. Okay, so that's how it goes. Okay, as for me, I would like to give one more point. My brother, whenever my mom, she feels very angry on me and she either beats me or she shouts at me, In that time, my brother would disappear from that place. I swear he disappear from that he disappears from that place. I'll be searching where is that guy, and he would not be around that place because he knows face reading very well. Whenever my mom is angry, he finds that and he runs out of that place. Whenever she's sad, he tries to console her. Whenever she's happy, he will also be happy with us, doing funny things. So that's how it goes. After everything is over, after my mom she calms her down, then he comes to me and he's like, no worries, no worries. He won't tell. He used to pat my back, so like this and all he used to do. But the only thing, like this way he show love towards us. But the only thing what he does, what I am jealous and what I'm angry on him is, he never shares his food. Because whenever my mom I'll be having 3 sweets and he'll be having 4 sweets. He has 4 no, but it's not enough for him. Mainly he focuses on me and he takes he tries to take all the 3. Whenever I scream, Mom, he's taking my sweets, my mom will be like, yeah, so what? He's your brother. No, you have to offer. Who will offer then? Then I'm like, yeah, he's my brother. I have to offer. Okay, take, no issue. That's how it goes. Like you have to it's not like sacrifice. You can show your love in many manner. That's how it goes. And my brother, he's very sensitive. Like either my mom or me, if we shout at him, he doesn't care. He'll be like, okay fine, go. But if my father, if he shows, or if my father is angry at him, if my father shouts at him, means then he would get into his bedroom and start, he starts crying. He gets more emotional, and it takes more than half an hour to console him. My father has to go and he'll be like, okay, sorry Ganesh. He won't be able to tackle my, he won't be able to take that he's shouted by his father, because he's that much sensitive love. And he has that much love towards his father, more than my mom and me. All right. So I hope you're enjoying, and yes, we also adjust. Whenever I get irritated on my brother, I start shouting at him. That time my mom, she comes to me and she consoles me. If my mom is irritated on him, then I console her. If both of us are irritated, then my father comes. So it's like linked together. So we share our feelings each other, and because he's ours, so he's like our golden, cake or something. So we cannot leave him, isn't it? So we have to sacrifice among ourselves and show our love always towards him, and how much ever we can take him towards a positive thing, we try to take. Yes. Fine. Now I'm gonna introduce all a special, guest. A special mother. Of course, she's my mother. She wants to share her experience with her son. Whatever she experienced, she would like to share. So yes, here she is.
Hi, how are you? Lockdown periods going on. Everybody's enjoying, especially kids. They are enjoying their parents. Okay. Good afternoon to everybody. I thanked Ruwais FM for this wonderful opportunity. It's making us energetic. I have chance to share my feelings about my son Ganesh Kumar. Okay, when he was born, he was a very cute baby. I enjoyed as a mother. First child, every mother have that enjoyment, because we have a lot of dreams about our first son. 1 year it was very enjoyment. That time I was worked. I used to go office and all. My mom with me. I was another Gulf country. 1 year he started to call me Amma, and my name is Geeta, no, so he will call Ita, that pronunciation. I heard his first voice. At the time, the moment, I enjoyed a lot. Then after that, I'm working now. I didn't want to send my son to that special what is that babysittings. So I sent my son to India with my mom. 1 year I missed him, but even though we have light shot and all, so he remember me when in the airport itself, after 1 year, airport itself, he had a nice hug to me. So after that, I take him again with me. Yeah, that 1 year we enjoyed. That time he's very intelligent. He don't like me to go office and all. I put him in my friend's mom's house. He will take my shawl, that dupatta. He's having an idea without dupatta, mama won't go out. So he'll take and try to hide it like that, normal one. And when I'm coming from the office, he'll give that nightwear dress. Ask me to wear, because with the night dress I won't go anywhere. His idea. And when we are
plan.
planning going out and all, no, what he'll do, he will take his shoes and keep outside, and his cycle key and all. Instead of car key, he'll take his cycle key. Everything was normal only, but no speech. I am not bothered about it because I missed him 1 year, so I enjoyed him.
This
Very
way,
calm, very polite, very. I love that period. Then after 2.5 years, we had little doubt, no speech. I called my mom. My mom and my mother-in-law, they told no need to worry, male child, it's normal. They are starting their speech late only. That time, 2005, 4 to 5, I am telling there is no awareness about autism. Everybody is thinking mental special child means they are some physical, and starting stage itself, it's a known one. They thought that that type of awareness only was there. So what I did, that time Teju was on my tummy. So I went to one doctor, our child specialist. He also saw, and I also worked with the doctor only that time. I am a secretary, Dr. Pushpa Gurmadhavan. So she also told nothing, is everything, behavior is normal, no need to worry, speech will come later. That was okay. Then he told, he tested him, he told maybe he is having tongue tie, maybe little tongue and that nerve will be connected. So we will remove that. So that we also did that one also. We did audiometry for the hearing problem, anything we did that also. No response. Okay.
Yes.
Then third year, Teju came out. Then I went to India. I went to one doctor. He told clearly, your son is a special child. You have to take care of him. He need extra care from you. That a moment, really, as a normal lady, I got upset. Then I went to share to this my mom. My mom told, she is also medical laboratory technician. I am also medical laboratory technician. My one more auntie also, she is a staff nurse in mental health center. She is a head nurse. So everybody is, I did BA psychology also. So we have an idea about this, even though we are getting only, no, we know the pain, no. So I got a little upset. My mom told, don't worry, whatever special characters he is having, you enjoy with that. Don't think about what he is not having.
Yes.
So this is real. Still, it's
golden
a motivation,
words.
golden words for me.
From my
So I
mother's
came
mom.
out. Then my baby Teju is a 2 months baby. Once again.
Yeah, so I was 2 months baby that time. So my mom, she had two. Yeah.
Someone no. So I take him to immediately special education school nearby school. They thought everything. Before and all, no, if he called, he won't come. He will come. So come, sit, go. The toilet training, that's the main thing. It will reduce lot of stress. So within a week, he got the toilet training, and small words he responds. That behavior problems, everything, because sometimes he himself pinch here
Scratch and
because he
pinch.
want to express
His
no
anger.
language.
Yes.
What does autism means? Autism means we are going somewhere, another country. That language we don't know. We are on the street. Everybody is talking. The sound is coming, but the brain, it won't convert into our language. That is the thing. What we are talking, it won't be go to them directly.
It won't go to their brain. I mean,
We
it
have to
won't.
give
Their brain won't
Yeah.
convert that language.
Yeah, we have to give that is the way. Now Ganesh is understanding everything. The way. So I send him to the special time. If I had not sent him to special school, he would not have got this much progress. Is it true? So without school, nothing is
nothing.
there. Maybe I will get upset, everything.
Yes.
So up to 2015, he went to special school. He got all ideas. He had a nice social moments. Everything is there. Then now we are 4 years here because my husband have some medical problems. So I stay here.
We came
no
here,
problem.
2015.
After my daughter's higher education, again I'll go to my son's
Maitri
old
school.
good school Maitri. There is vocation training is there. I booked one seat also for him.
Yeah.
I love Maitri school. It's a very good school. Parents, they are exchanging children and they are teaching very good. Really, I thank
The school
Maitri.
itself,
All
yes.
special schools are good only, but I saw Maitri. Okay.
Yeah.
Then my son actually he likes going out. Every 15 days we will
Mostly
take him
swimming.
to outing and all.
Yeah.
I never hesitate to take him to out. Always I'll take him. But some friend's house I won't take because he is having one behavior problem. He'll take coin from them.
He's fond of
He will
coins,
find
yes.
puja room and their bureaus everywhere. He'll search. He is having this much coins. He is having. That is his autistic character. I cannot do anything. That's why
You have
I
to
avoid
accept
to
it. That's
take.
what. Finish.
If some taxi and all know what I will do, that the taxi box, he will search there. So immediately I give 10 dirhams to the taxi driver. Please भैया उसको ये पैसा दे दो, ये वो थोड़ा special child है. They are also giving because I am giving extra too, no problem. And this I'm tackling him nicely because I got courage from my mom or God's grace, I don't know, but I'm so happy because everybody is understanding now what the special child. If you are telling, they understand. If you are not telling, means only it's a problem only.
The main
And
thing
one
is,
more thing,
yes.
this I want to tell
Yeah.
one about you, Teju only, not Teju, for the siblings. When I used to go 3 to 3.5 years, only 6 months only I went with my son school. Even my baby, my Teju was 2 months baby. I put my mother's care. I went to morning 9 o'clock, evening 4 o'clock, regular school. But the teaching is different. The thought is different. I used to carry tiffin box, everything, and go and sit with them. I learned also from the special educators. There I saw some siblings, they are hesitate. They are not liking their brothers. So, excuse me.
Yes.
Me basic.
Yeah, so there, my mom, she told me before itself, like the siblings there, they were hesitating their own, brother or sister.
Brothers. So what that time itself I decided I want to make my daughter to be a good sister of my son. So I brought that way only. I think I achieved it. I think I achieved it. She herself forwardly go and tell, I have a special brother in my home. Even childhood, she used to go her friend's birthday party. She would ask one extra chocolate, one extra packet, give to my brother. So that's way she brought up. What I'm requesting, all siblings, you can reduce your parents' pain. So you are the next one. You are the next hope.
We have to support
People
our
for
own
that
brother or
special
sister.
child. This is my just kind request. If any your family friends friends you met, you just tell them, sisters and brothers, they are the main caretaker of the special child. Then
And
anything
likes-
I want to say, she will
He likes
continue.
swimming, right?
He
You
likes
can tell
swimming.
about that
Every
too.
15 days we will take him to the outside long drive. He likes. He don't know swimming, but he used to swim. We'll tell that swimming pool garden.
He knows
that
to
God-
balance himself. Even my father,
Ah.
he didn't teach him also, but in the depth area and all, there is a technique, right? If you push the water, you come up. So he learned that by himself. So these kind of work and all, it's useful, right? Like whatever he likes, he's doing that, and we see that every time, and we will be very happy during that period and all. So we never hesitate to take him outside. Wherever we go, mostly we take him outside. And if he wants to go to Dubai means for him it's like staying in hotel and going to theme parks, having fun, going to hotels, eating
He
food.
likes that our red suitcase.
Yeah.
Because with that only we used to go.
Yeah.
When we are not planning, he will take that suitcase and show me. This is
Yeah.
his language.
Yeah.
Little words he is talking.
Yes.
Chicken, but still he is not calling me mama.
Yeah.
Still, maybe he will call future.
Like how he
I
calls
don't
this,
know.
I usually try to train him whenever I get whenever I see her, whenever I get time, I'll be like I show my mother's photo and I'll ask him who is this, and he's like Amma.
Amma.
And I'll ask my photo, who is this, he'll be like Tisha, he calls me Tisha. And if I show my father's, and he'll call Sriram. Like that you have to train your own child, so that's how they come into your life. Otherwise
He will say
they
clearly
go to
Dubai.
their own
Dubai
world.
and Abu Dhabi he will
Yeah.
say because he likes UAE.
Yeah.
Chennai he don't like. We want to go Chennai, Ganesh? No.
Because in
Like
Chennai,
Dubai.
there's no, he has to go to school, then he has to work there. No,
Maybe.
here, he's like, it's in heaven, sleeping on the bed, happily getting three times food. So like that, no, he's happy with us, and we are happy for
Here
that.
what we are doing now, we are taking him outside, and because no school, no. So treadmill he used to do because obesity, that is the main challenge for me
Yeah.
now. He's doing
have to
treadmill.
reduce his
1 hour
weight.
he'll do. Then going just walking on our area and all he is doing. Then he is watching YouTube and playing that.
He's
what
a great fan of Vijay.
Subway, some games. She will take
Yeah,
his points
Subway
also.
surfs. Yeah, it's
He's
very
very
useful
fond
for
about
him.
it.
For me, I show my friends. I see I have this much point because it's because of my brother only. Okay.
I don't know. In the future, there will be a medicine. I think it will be one vial, one syringe. It will clear
They
the
may be recover-
problem.
they may recover.
I am praying for this only. You kids try to find some medicine. My daughter also telling Mama, don't worry. I'll do some research. I'll get some medicine for this type of problem. Okay.
Even
hope
my
we'll
cousin,
be-
she's in Germany. She's also doing some
biotechnology she is doing.
she's
there.
doing a biomed engineering over there. So she's also trying to find something for these kind of children, and we wish it
Autistic
becomes
language
true.
they are trying.
Yeah,
They
they're
are
trying to.
Process is going
yeah.
on.
So
Process.
these kind of works are also being done. So do you have any other points to share?
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very much for your listening. Bye bye. She will continue. Bye.
So fine. I hope you all got the experience like whatever my mom she had with her son. So now I'm gonna give some advice to the parents and the siblings, like what are things you have to take care whenever you have a special child. Okay. Firstly, the parents they have to accept that their child is a special child. Okay, that their own child is a special child. Never, you should never feel anything. You have to accept it's your own child. You have to accept. Then is provide them education. Providing education is very must, so that they can mingle socially with others, and it is useful for them in the future. Okay, I guess my brother is coming. Yeah, can you hear? Hi Ganesh, look, say hi. Say hi to everyone. Come
Hi,
here.
hi.
Hi. Say hi.
Ruwai
Say hi.
Ruwai
Hi.
Ruwai Ruwai
Say hi.
Ruwai
Hi. Say
Okay, bye.
bye. Say bye.
Bye,
Bye.
Sasha.
Say bye.
Adi tanda.
You
See
like
ya.
Dubai, Paloma?
Dubai. Say Dubai. So you see,
Okay.
full of. Whenever he comes, the earth, everything shakes. It's something like that. Okay, fine. Yeah. So you need to provide education for your special child, and don't stay home. Come outside and get some ideas from the specialists to control your child's behavior problems. Because if you try to control them, they may recover anytime. So that's what you should come outside. Don't feel complex. Don't feel ashamed. Come outside, even for the siblings. Because after, as my mom told, after our parents, we are the supportive. We are the pillars, supportive pillars for our brother or sister. So we are like next mother or next father for our sister or brother, whoever needs special care. So please do that, right? I am so lucky that my friends and my my mom, my parents' friends, they are so good. They are so good. Like my friends, they take my brother as their own brother. They behave as me to him. They play with him. They do whatever he wants. They help me a lot, and they are also sportive for me. They always encourage them, and I love that encouragement too. And my mom's friends also, in this year 2020 January 15th, his birthday was celebrated. It was a surprise party. I guess after I came from school, suddenly my mom's like, everyone is coming, there's a surprise party. People, just now auntie called me. So like that, it was so good. Okay, many aunties came with my brother's favorite dishes, and they brought 2 to 3 cakes, and we cut here. So it was
Kala aunty,
amazing.
Maha
Kala
aunty,
auntie,
Jaishri
Maha
aunty.
auntie, Radha auntie, Jaishri auntie, then Sharanya auntie, many of them, Vijay auntie, many of them came, and they love my brother that much. Even the Ruwais, the people in the Ruwais, my friends, my moms, my father's friends, everyone asked about my brother, and they have a very good bonding between my brother, and they have a very good bonding, and I love that too. And thanks for
Photos,
supporting and
celebrating.
encouraging us.
Celebrating
Next is my brother, as told before, my brother is fond of Vijay, and he loves to hear his songs, and he's a good music lover also, and he dances for Vijay songs. He also visited the maestro Ilayaraja's son, Yuvan Shankar Raja. Yuvan Shankar Raja, he himself came and took a photo with my brother, and I was not there that time in that photo. But my mom and my brother, they took photo with him. That's a kind of proud moment, because my father is a
Vijay
lover
also
of
we missed.
Ilayaraja, and he was very happy after seeing that photo. But Vijay only we missed. It's like Vijay was crossing like this, and we were going like this. It's something like that.
Act பண்ணிருக்கான்.
Maybe if you believe or not, but that only like this what
Lion.
happened.
Lion.
Yeah. Then he
Lion
also
tiger.
acted as he has also acted as an elephant. It suits him very much, right? Yeah. Then he acted as tiger. So like
TV ல telecast பண்ணாங்க இது.
they also telecasted in TV. So you know these kind of
Maitri
and in Maitri school only during his annual days, and he also excelled in sports. Like in his childhood, he won in lot of certificates. More he has more than me actually in his childhood. So yes, special awards for him. So I'm so happy that he has these much things because me, I have many things to perform, isn't it? I have dance, I have my education, I have my friends, but he also enjoys my dance, and he loves my mom dressing. Whenever she goes for some parties or something, he's like he smiles at my mom, like yeah, my mom is getting ready. Because my mom, she's like if she's having a special child, she has to be normal, no, right? I mean, she has to be like very sad or something, no. My mom, she tries more to make herself beautiful, because my brother he enjoys that. That's what it is. And he gets like I get many things. I have many activities to perform, but my brother, he likes food, and he likes Vijay songs, swimming. He likes TV, he likes swimming. His wishes are very limited, so we have to give that limited wishes more, isn't it? That's what our dream in this incarnation. As per me, I would like to tell
Thanks,
that.
Ruwais.
Yes. Next, the main point I would like to say you all is, special parents are not expecting sympathy but empathy from you all, from all of you. So please follow that. I'm not telling in an arrogant way, it's in a very pleasing and in a humble manner. So I hope you all understand the issue of each and every special child. And if you have your relatives, if any child is special, please give them extra care, encourage their family, never let them down, always try to make them up. And then also I would like to thank to Ruwais FM once again for providing this opportunity, and for providing for giving us these kind of energetic energetic programs like this. So thanks to Ruwais FM also. Then yes, I hope you all are watching and enjoying. Can I get the comments, please?
Any doubt section?
Any doubts, you can ask me. I'm not that I'm just studying grade 10. Whatever I had the experience with my brother, I'm just sharing you all. So yes, yeah, that's what it is. Yes, is you all are there? I hope you all are there, right? I guess if you're there also, it's time to leave for me. Okay, fine. Geeta aunty, can I end the session? Can you please comment below?
திரும்பி ஒரு தடவை அந்த கார்டு பத்தி சொல்லட்டுமான்னு கேளு. One more time. ஒரு தடவை சொல்லிடு.
Geeta aunty, are you there?
திரும்பி கார்டு பத்தி சொல்லிடு.
Do you have to explain about the card once again? Auntie, are you there?
கார்டு பத்தி ஒரு தடவை.
All right, it's okay, fine. I'll just let you all know about the card once again. So again, I'm telling you, for people who's not aware of it, okay, it's the card, you get it in ZHO, Zayed Higher Organization, People of Determination card. Okay, so this card is very useful, and I have informed I have told you all the advantages also. So this card is very useful. Please share to your friends. Okay, Zayed Higher Organization. Alright friends, I hope you all enjoyed, and thanks to you all once again for listening to this conversation politely and in a very calm manner, and thanks for encouraging me. Thanks for telling that I'm a good sister and a very sportive sister. Thanks for telling that. And yes, thanks for giving lots and lots of love towards my brother. I'm very, very lucky to have you all. So thank you. Have a nice day. Bye. Bye-bye.